when this goes back to normal, at some point it will. We know that it will. How do you think the coronavirus pandemic is going to change the future of food and beverage manufacturing, if at all?
I think across the board, our ability to adapt, which is what we've always wanted to do, our ability to adapt quick is going to be improved across the board, because that's what everyone is having to do across all the functions in Pepsico. It's making quick decisions, and that carries a certain element of risk, but actually sometimes risk is good, because you can challenge the status quo. But also, I think the remote working and how we manage our team's time and the time that they spend, not this working as 9 till 5. I'm personally seeing a lot from my team that are working from home. I feel like we're getting a lot more done, and that trust there for people to do that it brings a good culture to the team as well. I know we always mention this word culture; it's the dreaded word in maintenance reliability, but it's anything that we can do to improve that is always something that we're looking to do.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this idea of like change is happening again at this breakneck speed, and what I feel so good about is the fact that so many companies are rising up to this challenge. So many companies are just changing at a breakneck speed to really help the entire community, really help people in the industry as well. And I feel really good about that. Companies like PepsiCo, for example, I'm sure you guys are making some changes that have kind of been on the docket for several years. And because of this, it's kind of been this catalyst to push that forward, because we've known for several years that this is really important.